ohmathgad.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be tackling geometry. In this case, we're going to be taking a look at the reflection over the y-axis around the origin. So let's begin. Okay guys, so in today's video, we're actually going to see how can we reflect one polygon, in this case a quadrilateral named quadrilateral FGHJ that has coordinates F26, G33, H5, 2, and J3, 0, right? So we're being asked to graph and label the reflection of that quadrilateral. Now, in order to do that, we need to remind that whenever we have a point P, x, y as coordinates, it is going to be reflected over the y-axis, which in this case is what we're being asked to do. The reflected point P tick mark, right, which means that it has been reflected, it's going to have coordinates minus x, y, right? So in this case, whenever we have one point, right? So let's say we have the point 4, 6. The reflection over this axis, the y-axis, it's going to be at the same distance, right? So it's going to be in -4 now, and it's going to be on the same value of y. So in this case, if the point was 4, 6, the new point P is going to be on -4, 6, right? So in this case, we are reflecting that quadrilateral over the y-axis, right? And we're going to use the origin, the x-axis or the y-axis. So now that we're given the coordinates of every single point, what we can do is that we know that F has the initial coordinates 2, 6. So now we know that the reflection over the y-axis of F is going to be F tick mark, which has coordinates -2, 6, right? As you can see, the value of x, we put the opposite number. And we're going to do the same thing with all the other points. So in the case of G, when we reflect over the y-axis, right, we're going to put G tick mark, and that is going to be -3, 3, right? H, which was 5, 2, again, reflecting it over the y-axis. It's going to be H tick mark, which is going to be -5, 2. As you can see, the values of y haven't changed, but the values of x have, and J3, 0. So now when we reflect over the y-axis, J, we're going to have our new position for J, which is going to be on -3, 0. Now that we have found the coordinates for the reflected quadrilateral FGHJ, let's graph it. Okay, so now we had FGHJ, right, which was our initial quadrilateral at 2, 6, 3, 3, 5, 2, and 3, 0, correct? And we also had the reflection, which was -2, 6, G was on -3, 3, H was on -5, 2, and J was on -3, 0. So let's look for those points on our coordinate plane. So Fx 2, 6, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be here. So here we're going to have F. G is 3, 3, so 3, 1, 2, 3 over here. We're going to have H, which is going to be on 5, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2. And then we're going to have our point J, which is going to be on 3, 0. So 1, 2, 3 here, right? And that's how we find our first polygon, which is the quadrilateral. Now let's find the reflection over the y-axis. So it's going to be on -2, 1, 2, 6. This is going to be F. G, its new position is going to be on -3, 3, right? So it's going to be here. H is going to be on -5, 2. So H is going to be located here now, and J is going to be on the position -3, 0, right? And there we have it, guys. So as you can see, the reflection over the y-axis is basically like a mirror of the same image. So guys, try doing it on your own, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!